Alright, here we go. Today I'm going to show you how to poach an egg the old-fashioned way. No hacks, no letting them sit in vinegar and water. All that is a waste of time, and time is money, friend. Start off by bringing a pot of water almost to a boil. You don't want it boiling, but it's got to be hot. Once you've got a nice simmer going, very gently drop the egg into the water. The most important part here is to make sure the egg doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. To prevent this, you just need to lightly lift the egg off the bottom before the white solidifies. Just kiss the sides of the egg with the spoon. Push some water underneath it, and you'll see it lift off the bottom. Then you're usually good. If you like, you can move some of the cooked white off the top of the water that's floating there, just so you can check on the progress of your egg. I like my egg to be runny when I cut it. If you prefer yours a little jammier, just leave it like 30 seconds to a minute longer. And once the white surrounding the yolk looks like it's cooked, you're pretty well done. I'm serving this egg to myself over some cheese toast. Look at this monstrosity. I don't know what the bakers at my grocery store have against cheese bread, but it still tastes good. So here we are. Make sure you use a slotted spoon to extract your egg from the water and let it drain well, or else you're going to end up with soggy bread. Ever so gently place your egg, little pinch of salt, couple cracks of pepper, and if you like, add some hot sauce, and I'm going to finish this off with some green onions. There it is, the delicious, elusive, and seductive poached egg. We want a nice runny yolk when we cut into it. Oh yeah, look at that. It just screams eat me, doesn't it? This is so much easier than a lot of people think. Just give it a try and you're not going to be disappointed.